Hey, what's up? It's Take here. Welcome back to my channel. I'd like to announce Inkdrop version 6 RC0, which is the first release candidate. And now it uses the same user data directory as the V5. So the Canary versions has been using a separate directory, so you can quickly roll it back to version 5, but it's ready to use the same directory as version 5. So yeah, I'm happy to release this first release candidate. And when you first launch the version 6, it will migrate your data to the new version, so you can't roll it back. So please note that. And yeah, I tested it so thoroughly to make sure you won't lose your important data. So yeah, I believe it's safe. But if you are worried, it'd be nice to copy your user data to as a backup. Yeah. So yeah, let's get started. The first, this version comes with a bunch of improvements, and this version has finally supports node templates. And the reason why I did the node templates is that I've been revisiting the onboarding for new users, and I heard that some people get frozen when they see an empty screen, blank screen, or when they start writing, and they want some node templates so they can quickly start writing. I don't personally have this issue, but I thought it would be nice to consider adding it. I wanted to know how much it would be useful for in my workflow, and I've been using Cloud Code to take notes, and I thought these node templates would be useful for the AI to take notes for me. So I tried to write some templates, and I found that it would be great to include instructions and examples, so AI can understand how to fill out the templates well properly. And yes, here is the template picker. So when you create a new node, it shows a template picker, and there are some curated list of templates I created, and some templates have an example and instructions, and they are removed when you create a node, so you don't have to care about them. Yeah, so let me show you what it looks like. So here is the template picker. So when you press Command N or Control N, it shows the template picker, and you can filter templates with keyword like this. And my favorite one is implementation plan. And as you can see, it has some placeholder, and what to add, what to fill out, and it has example here. So this is the actual example I copied from my notes, and this is about improving the plugin for importing Markdown files. Yeah, and it has instructions, so AI will read these planning steps, so AI can understand how to plan the implementation phases and how to fill out them. Yeah. So please try it. Yeah, and you can also create a custom node template. So it got the template section on the sidebar here, and you can view the built-in templates here. For example, this is for code-based exploration, and this is from my work that I published a video before, and that I explored the Z source code to understand how it supports multiple AI providers, and let AI make a report about it. And so this template is for that purpose, and it comes with instructions, and it tells you and AI how to explore. Yeah, and it also has an example, and it is about Z source code. Yeah, so, and yeah, it also supports Marmot diagrams, of course, so you can understand the data flow or business logic, algorithms, and so on. Yeah, and yeah, so if you want to create a custom template, you can directly edit this one, and when you save it, it automatically duplicates it. So it got a custom section here, or you can press Command N to create from an empty state. Yeah. So I have custom one here. Yeah, and also it supports template like now, and this one is for daily report, and it supports automatically filling the current date. So by using the Liquid.js style template. Yeah, so you don't have to input. You don't have to type the today's date manually, which is cool. Yeah, so that's the template feature. And so I'd like to show you a demo about how to use the template with AI in your agentic coding workflow. To use that, you have to set up Inkdrop MCP server and the Inkdrop skills that I published. And here is the Inkdrop MCP server, and this is Inkdrop skills. And it comes with how to write tech notes. Yeah. Because Inkdrop has Marmot support and math support, it would be nice to use this skill to tell AI agent how to write diagrams and math blocks, and how to link nodes properly. Yeah. And this one is for using templates. So the new version of MCP server supports a new option that is include templates. So AI can specify this to true, and the read node tool returns node along with its source template. So AI can refer to its instructions and example. And this skill tells you how to do that, and it mentions instructions and example. Yeah. So let's try using it. So let me show you a demo. Here is a code forward plugin, and it gives you a code forwarding feature for the Inkdrop's Markdown editor. And it currently uses Prettier for formatting the code, and it doesn't have any linter. So I'd like to migrate from Prettier to OX format and I'd like to add OX lint. So yeah, I'm going to create an implementation plan based on the planning, and migrate to from Twitch here to OX format, and add OX lint. And I'm gonna add requirements like migrate from Twitch here to, and add linter, OX lint. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, let's try it. So let's copy and fill out this. Just tell this, and AI is gonna read this note and understand the requirements. Yeah, and as you can see, it properly it properly uses include template parameter. Okay. Yeah, so let's wait for the AI to finish the work. Yeah, and here is the result. Here is the what the AI wrote based on the template. So it restates the requirements. It shows the current state and what you need to decide, and it shows the each phase like this. Yeah, which is cool. So please try it and let me know what you think. So that's the template feature. This version finally supports the three-way merge to automatically resolve the conflicted nodes. You will get no more conflicted nodes. Yeah, this is one of the annoying frictions in Inkdrop. Yeah. And this is the that what I've been wanting to fix. I'm gonna also implement this for the mobile version as well later. And it also supports the built-in support for resizing images. And yeah, so when you hover on when your cursor, the cursor is on the image, the app shows the toolbar for resizing image, and it uses the map style image size specifiers like this. So it is compatible with map, so you can directly copy and paste into your map-based presentations. Yeah. So as you can see, so Innocent is resized in 3 sizes. It's nice. Yeah, so you can specify any size. So please refer to the documentation for more details. Yeah, and it also has other improvements, and yeah, there are some bug fixes. Thank you, DG, and thank you for DG and B Diego for reporting them. Yeah, so that's the version V6 RC0. So I hope you enjoy it. The summer has come and it's so hot. Let's enjoy coding in this summer. Have a nice day.